Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Pygame. Firstly, before installing Pygame, ensure Python is installed. Open command prompt, press Windows plus R, then type cmd and hit enter. Type Python version. If Python is installed, you'll see the version number. Now, in the command prompt, type pip version. Now, install Pygame using pip. Open the command prompt and type pip install Pygame and wait for the installation to complete. You should see a success message. Now, to verify Pygame installation, open Python in the terminal by typing Python, then type import Pygame. If no error appears, Pygame is successfully installed. Now you're ready to create games with Pygames. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.